The Aral Sea, once an expansive and prosperous body of water lying between Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan.
It was once roughly the size of Ireland, one of the 4 largest lakes in the world. But today, it lacks that size. What was once a fruitful and prosperous fishing industry has dried up into a barren wasteland of desert and despair.
Here I am, Professor Trebuchet, on site of the Aral Sea disaster. As you can see, I am not swimming. Rather, I am standing. Behind my person lie a series of large boats that are worn from enduring years of sandstorms and extreme heat. The humans that inhabit these regions often suffer from various diseases due to the fertilizers and chemicals becoming airborne.
The size of the Aral Sea has been steadily declining since Soviet irrigation projects diverted many of the large rivers that fed into the sea in the mid-1960s. Today, the Aral Sea is 1/10 of its original size.
The Aral Sea. The name translates to the Sea of Islands, but today it is little more than a sea of sand. Besides obvious effects that a disappearance of water on a mass scale would have, such as the destruction of almost all ecosystems in and around the sea, more subtle yet extreme issues are also present. Weapons testing, industrial projects, pesticides and fertilizer runoff poisoned the once great lake. When the lake receded, it left giant plains of salt and toxic sand. Today, when the wind blows, dust storms blow salt and toxic substances thousands of kilometers. It is estimated that 75 million tons of toxic dust is spread across Central Asia each year. Because of this, health problems such as cancer, lung disease, drug-resistant tuberculosis, anemia, and other liver, lung, kidney, and eye problems are common in the Aral Sea region.
Many may believe that all hope is lost for the Aral Sea. However, I have comprised a list of possible solutions. Number 1. Improving the quality of irrigation canals. Number 2. Installing desalination plants. Number 3. Charging farmers to use the water from the rivers. Number 4. Using alternate cotton species that require less water. Number 5. Using fewer chemicals on the cotton. Number 6. Redirecting water from the Volga, Ob, and Irtysh rivers to restore Aral Sea to its original size. And finally, pumping seawater from the Caspian Sea to return to the Aral Sea.